We're here in Midstream Estate, specifically Midstream Heights Estate. I want to show you this exclusive property, 4 bedrooms with 3 garages, open plan, located on this beautiful park, and lots of extras like solar, inverter, battery. You've got your own private garden located straight onto this park. And it all offers you for only 6,250,000. As you enter here, we were welcomed by this lovely jasmine flowers that's in full blossom. It smells so lovely. As you enter, we got a double garage coming in on this side of the property, and a single garage coming in on that side on the property. There's a full solar system, inverter, battery and solar. And this estate we have is load shedding free up to stage 3. So if you need to save some electricity, there's already a backup system already in the property. As we entered, you can see there's a lovely open yard space that is also leading onto this park, and you can see that there's a lot of play area for the kids. With your swimming pool, your entertainment area, everything is directly on your front door. Here you can expect the best finishes. Quality laminate floors, nice natural light coming in, and a combination of steel, wood and plaster. Special red brick. So here on the staircase up to your top floor with the 3 bedrooms that side. On this side here you have a 4th bedroom with a guest toilet. Storage, enough storage space. Beautiful tiles, frameless showers, Gibber toilets. This is actually bedroom 4, but you can utilize it as a pajama lounge, private lounge, whatever you want. And it's also with its own door going out onto the garden side. Let me show you the kitchen. Beautiful space for entertainment with a breakfast nook, gas stove, electric oven, and it's a SMEC. A lot of people prefer the SMEC quality. Space for your double door fridge, and then all your appliances and a lot of cupboard space. Let me show you the scullery. One, 2, 3 appliances, broom cupboard, and then on the outside we've got staff accommodation plus bathroom. Caesar stone tops, your prayer bowl, also with quality taps. Very nicely arranged here. Let me show you the patio area. Beautiful space like a small bar area, entertainment, and from here, as you can see, this special feature with this park on the front side. We've entered from that side with the two garages and coming into the home directly onto your patio with your bride. And it's an open bride. Let me show you upstairs. Quite a beautiful space here, your breakfast nook. Exposed trusses, lovely space with your study corner directly built in. Natural light coming in, facing north. This bathroom and this room share this bathroom. Also frameless showers, exposed trusses, give it a toilet, his and hers, with a freestanding bath. This is a bit extra, very minimalistic, but very nice finishes. Also facing north. Exposed trusses, lots of cupboards, and even enough space here for a double bed. Small Romeo and Juliet balcony. Linen cupboards. Then your main bedroom starts from here. Bit of dresser space. These and hers. Floating vanities. And enough cupboard space on this side and on this side here. Beautiful freestanding bath with space for your double shower, and again the red brick that stands out as a feature point. Separate toilet. So on this side is your toilet, separate toilet with a double shower and a loose standing bath. Nice sized main bedroom with your own balcony facing on this park with a lovely view. Let me show you. From here you can see the paddle courts, the new shopping center that they're busy building. And this is the road coming in that's going up to the shopping center, the existing shopping center. On the opposite of the road, you can see the Nkoli cows.